Hi traders, this is Kriska and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below to get the latest updates whenever I release new videos containing my trades for cryptocurrencies, gold, and forex, utilizing Pipini tools. For today, you're going to look at our charts for USD Yen under 15-minute time frame. So I'll be sharing with you what would be my trades for the upcoming week utilizing Pipini tools. And for this currency, let's zoom out to higher time frame so we would see the overall condition of the market. So in H4 time frame, we would see that the market has been continuously making new highs right here as evidenced by this last high on the market. So what happened right here is the market has undergone a retracement. If we're going to load our line charts, we would see that there was a break in the trend line that was created in line with the retracement that has happened in USD yen. So if you would be able to look at it, the quality of the break that has happened in 4-hour charts, meaning it's very significant break. So this could indicate that the move to the downside can potentially mean that it has finished. And look at the trend line right here. You would see that this was the test at the back of the channel, and it is also at a level at a significant round number, which is 11900. So in confluence, what happened is we saw a reaction in the market right here, and we can see that if we're going to zoom in smaller time frame, let's draw first. Okay. All right, so let's zoom in a smaller time frame so we'll have a better picture of what could be our potential move right here. So we will wait for a trading opportunity utilizing breakout edge as our trigger to enter the market to the upside. Well, this one could qualify as one of the trades that we could take early when the market opens tomorrow. Right, so let's look at our charts for Australian dollar USD under 1 hour time frame for us to see the overall condition of the market. In H1 time frame, last the last time. So from the low right here formed in July 21, you would see that it was broken at around last week August 17, and the market has continuously um, traded to the downside of the market. So as of this moment, we could see that it has strongly traded trend. So it has been strongly trending to the downside. And if we're going to look at our H4 time frame, we would see that we are at 0.71386. So if you're going to locate on what would be the area that that can potentially stop this downtrend or would act as a support, definitely it would be at 70.00. So this was the line right here we could see. So we could use that as a reference when we set our targets and enter the markets again. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in smaller time frame, and we're looking for opportunities to trade in the direction of the trend again. And as you can see that from a low right here, the market is starting to start a campaign so that it will make a new highs and lower high and then making higher highs. So what I'm going to wait for is for this to show a weakness so that I'll be able to trade again to the downside of the market, since we are also at the level we see market has reacted right here at 71,045, which is also a round number. So we will wait for a weakness or failure of the market or failure of the price to create a new higher high making us um, interpret that move as an end or on the retracement. So what will happen is we will wait for a break on this trend line right here that has formed before we would enter again in the direction of the trend, which is downtrend, and then ultimately setting our targets at 70.00, right? Okay, so let's look at our charts for GBP USD. Under 15-minute time frame, you will be looking for opportunities to trade in this market. So zooming out in higher time frame, what we're going to expect is for the market to react at 35.00, which is also a round number. So why did we say so? We're going to examine the number of times that the price has tested this level and has reacted to this level. Then this would be a logical area for us to wait, or for us to be cautious when we would want to trade again in the direction of the trend for higher time frame, which is daily in this case. And this could be a big retracement in higher time frame. So what we're going to do is wait for opportunities in 35 area. But short term, what we're going to do is, since we are looking at to trade short term, then we would want to wait for a breakout edge signal in lower time frame so that we will be able to enter and set our targets at 35.00, because right now we are still at 36.205. So when the market will make a retracement, so the most logical area for us to consider is where is the previous um, support that was broken, which is right here. So we would think that we could actually trade again to the downside after it has made a retracement right here at 137. But we will have to wait if there will be an indication where the market would be stopped, because since the market will stop or will create, since this one, if this will truly act on the 336.00, then what will happen is it will, from here, it will make a attempt to retrace, and then ultimately before we could enter again. All right, so that would be it. If you would want to get a copy of Breakout Edge and Trend Pro, all you have to do is just look at the description link below so that you will be directed to the link on how you're going to get these two powerful indicators. Also, if you want to experience fast execution, tight spreads, and cryptocurrency trading even over the weekend, all you have to do is subscribe with our broker, which is RoboForex, and they're giving out a $30 welcome bonus if you sign up with them today. And also, on the description below, you'll be able to find the link so that you will be able to join the Pipinit Telegram channel, and you will know how you're going to use Pipinit tools to your advantage. See you again tomorrow for another